Hey there guys, it's JV Charles, founder of Garden Josiah. Look at the vegetables that I grew in containers on my back porch this year. And this isn't all. We grow strawberries, blueberries, and a ton of herbs and fresh salad greens. Sound cool? Well, guess what? I have something super exciting to share with you that can transform the way you shop at the grocery store and save you a ton of money this year. Introducing our free ebook, Pots of Gold. This little gem is packed with everything you need to know on how to get started in container gardening. Whether you're working with a patio, balcony, small backyard, or just a deck, you can grow your own fruits and vegetables and save a ton of money. It doesn't take a green thumb, a lot of money, or a lot of time. Imagine this, fresh organic produce right at your fingertips, no more expensive grocery trips and worrying about where your food comes from. With container gardening, you can cut your grocery bills in half or more. Look at this little guy, right? It looks small, but it's a powerhouse of savings. One plant can yield pounds of tomatoes, and that's just the beginning. And guess what? You don't need fancy equipment. Anything could be a container. Pots, buckets, even recycled containers. It's fun, it's creative, and it's incredibly rewarding. Our free ebook, Pots of Gold, is your go-to guide. We packed it with tips, tricks, step-by-step instructions to help you get started. From choosing the right plant to maximizing your harvest, we've got you covered. And did I mention it's free? Imagine serving your family delicious meals made from your own homegrown produce. It's healthier, it's faster, and it's so much more satisfying when it's a small fraction of what you would pay at the supermarket. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to download your free copy of Pots of Gold and start your container gardening journey today. Let's grow together and save some money. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. And remember, playing in the dirt has been proven to bring happiness. See you later.